Cool. So I guess GameFi is definitely important, but what's cooler than maintain a token? So yeah, we have Yonghui and his team introducing Mint Club, actually a very unique project in this batch of Binance Lab Incubation Program. Hi, Yonghui.
Hello. Thanks, Steve. Hi.
Mint Club. Yeah, here we go. 20 minutes.
Okay. Thanks, Steve. Hi, my name is Yonghui, co-founder and designer of Mint Club. Yeah, as Steve mentioned, that GameFi is really interesting, a big topic. That's for sure. And we also believe that the social fi is also really big and interesting topics coming. And Mint Club is all about the social fi and social tokens. And I'm gonna introduce about what our project is about and what we aim for and how our entire Mint Club ecosystem is forming and what we are heading toward to build something very interesting. And before I begin my presentation, I want to apologize in advance that I may cough a little bit during my presentation because I got recently COVID confirmed and I still have some symptoms. So if I cough, please understand. Okay, so let me share my screen. Sorry. So Mint Club has started quite a small kind of vision in the beginning. First of all, we really wanted to build some place where anyone on the planet can launch their token without any coding and any liquidity creations. We just really wanted to create something like anybody who has some idea or a community or product, whatever, to tokenize should not have any complication to launch their token to make them tradable. So this was whole idea about Mint Club and launched on July 13, 2021. And as you can see, sorry about that. Yeah, I'm purposefully not turning on the slide mode because sometimes when I do the slide mode, it doesn't show up the screen share. So please understand about that. First of all, the Mint Club team actually have been this blockchain industry for a long time, like about 4 to 5 years. We've been from Steem blockchain for our journey. Actually, at the time, Steem blockchain was kind of only social fi. I mean, even at the time, there's even no word, no terminology to say social fi. And then our passion was always to create something social aspect on blockchain. And as you can see, social fi industry is still very small, small market niche on the blockchain. When you think about some leading platforms in the market, you cannot think much of that. Like just Steem, Hive, Big Cloud. Big Clouds became quite successful nowadays, but still there's no any single player leading entire this industry yet. But when you think about NFT, yeah, like CryptoKitty kind of boomed 4 years ago, 3 to 4 years ago, and but still the market size at the time was not that big. And then entire 4 years, NFT was very niche market. But think about it, just within 1 year, NFT people start to realize the potential of the NFT system and the markets. And the market size is like 180 times bigger than previous year. So this is the kind of the most exciting part. Think about the social aspect of blockchain. Nobody can even imagine how those kind of social aspects will be adapted in the blockchain system. This can be that very different. It's not gonna be like something that we want to make another Facebook blockchain. We don't. This is not about something another Twitter on blockchain. This is got to be something completely different because this is a Web3 area. So this is what we see the vision. We want to make some place where a person who has some idea, community or product, even just a simple application or website that want to be tokenized can make just token and then present to people to utilize right away. When you want to do that, actually, there are not many options for you to think of. Let's say you create ABC token Ethereum right now. Let's say you created 100 ABC tokens. What can you do to make them tradable? I mean, issuing the token may be easier nowadays because there are a lot of no coding token issuance tools. But the creativity is a more important thing actually to make them tradable. And to do that, you may need about more than $100,000 amount of liquidity to make them tradable enough level, which is very very high bidder for most of the market entry players. Excuse me. So I'm gonna show the entire Mint Club website very quickly later on. I'll just briefly point of what is really good point about the Mint Club website. So first of all, in the Mint.club website, you can just simply input few informations there and then click the register, then boom, you have your token right away. And the token becomes instantly tradable. You don't need to do any liquidity creations. Like just say you create ABC token in Mint Club and then tell your friend, hey, I made a token. And to talk to the person, your friend can just purchase token right away, even though you didn't create any liquidity creations. And the most exciting part is that you will have your own kind of token link, like mint.club/ABC. And even there's a widget link feature. You can just share with your widget link with other people or even your website. Then the person does not need to visit mint.club to purchase your token. They can do in the widget link directly. So within half year, we actually made quite meaningful numbers with amazing community behind it. So already 2,700 social tokens are created in the Mint Club. And we have over 130,000 users right now. And most importantly, we experienced quite a few of very difficult moments from external platforms, but we and our community overcame together. And so the biggest powerful aspect of our Mint Club is that we do have very strong community supporters. So I really want to show the Mint Club website. So I'll just skip this part. This is all about the price bonding curve mechanism, but I will just show during the website demo. So this is the Mint Club website. So first of all, I'm a designer, and I'm not that smart person, honestly. So most product that I design is try to make something that I myself can understand. So I can guarantee that Mint Club website is super easy to use. So when you go to a website, you can first of all see all kind of social tokens created right now on the Mint Club, and these tokens are same BEP20 tokens. So each token has the BEP20 token contract, of course, and then you can buy and you can sell freely in the website. So you can see that this token has this unique URL like mint.club/monkey. So yeah, it's really easy to look around the entire token features, and we have a referral system, sort of like that. In the demo, actually, I want to create a token to show that how easy to create a token. I sometimes say myself that my next door grandma can create the token in Mint Club. I mean, obviously, I have joking, but yeah, this is how I want to say it's easy to do that. So when you go to create, and then you just write down the token name. Maybe I can say chat with Project 7. Project 7 is actually my Telegram name, and let's say Project 7 token. You can decide max minting supply from 0 to 100 million. This is obviously just for demo. I'm gonna just create 7 Project 7 tokens. and then it will show how the bonding curve will work for your token and register. And if you confirm, then 1, 2, 3 seconds. I mean, based on the blockchain BSC chain network situation, it's a little bit slower than I thought today. Yeah, now my project 7 tokens is just created on chain, and now what you can do is that what I can do is I can just create some logo. Let me, yeah. So I decide my project 7 logo. You can type your website or not. Maybe I'll just I have my Twitter account, so there are not many followers. So feel free to follow. I can put my Twitter and then say you can use one project 7 token to chat with me for 10 minutes, and you can send this token this address. Then you can have DM with for me 10 minutes. I'm not sure if even people want to use this one, but this is just for demo, right? And publish. Sorry, somebody used mine. I'll just type this in our just Mint Club site because this is just demo token. Sorry. Okay, you know, whenever you do the project demo, even though you check millions of times your product, there's always some error whenever you're actually on stage. But please understand that there's a little technical problem. But really, when you create some information like that, and then you can get mint.club and your token symbol, that you will get your token website. Right now, there's no logo appears because I kind of have some technical difficulties to upload my logo, but your token is already registered here like that. And anyone can buy this project 7 token and sell this project tokens right away in Mintcloud website. So I just wanted to show how much easy to create the BEP20 token with very simple few clicks right away. So let me get back to the slide. So so far, Mint Club's main strategy was like we wanted to first of all make very stable, concrete platform where anyone can issue the tokens and also run the tokens smoothly. So this is what we really aim for so far. And right now we're in the stage that we actually scale up this entire ecosystem. So we have 3 different strategic pillars to increase this ecosystem with communities together. So first of all, as you can see, there are over 2,700 smart tokens already created, and maybe some of them are not active, but many of them actually have very active its own communities and own users. So with combining together, the community can grow faster with network effects together. So this is kind of one important pillar. So actually, there's one use case for this this pillar. So this person called Korini Kindergarten, and is a very famous Korean YouTuber. He created a token called Rini token in Mint Club to use his kind of big followers and their some crypto communities that he runs. So this is kind of good example of the community aspects of the go-to-market strategies. If we can have more single token project that linked with quite big communities, then their community becomes Mint Club families, and on top of Mint Club ecosystem. the Mint Club ecosystem will grow faster. So this is kind of important, one of the our go-to-market strategies to nurture more those kind of single token community token projects. Another one is that we have also unique referral system. So I showed my referral page like that, right? So anyone can have this referral link and then share this link with other people. Then whenever someone sell the token and buy the token on the Mint Club, they get 1.3% trading fee and 0.3% of buying tax whenever they make a transaction, and those entire transaction fee will go to someone who shared this referral link. We believe that this can be a very strong tool to quickly enhance this market exposure. The third one is also very important strategy for us. As you can see, Mint Club itself is an open protocol. Like anyone actually can create a website like mint.club. So our team's main strategy is that to create more external projects directly utilizing Mint Club protocol. So the best example for this strategy pillar is one-stop market. So this one-stop market is made and run by a company that are partnering with us. So we have them to launch this project together. And the one-stop market is all about like time token marketplace on Binance Smart Chain. So if you are following some your influencer and then you want to launch the person's time token, anyone can just come here and then initiate the time token of the person, and people can trade the time tokens to see how much the person's time values is. So for example, somebody created already CZ tokens and people are trading it. So right now, CZ's 1 second's value is $1.6. I still believe that this is supposed to be far more than this because CZ is definitely one of the most expensive person on the planet. But as you can see, these individual time tokens are actually smart tokens generated by Mint Club protocol. And whenever people trade those time tokens, those Mint tokens as a collateral contract and the bonding curve system will be enlarged more because that's also using Mint Club protocol. So this is very important strategy for us to nurture more projects like that. And even if we really actively look for those companies or dev teams to develop more products on top of Mint Club ecosystem, we also actively as a team launch new project on top of Mint Club ecosystem so that we can diversify the product roadmaps on the ecosystem. One of that trials, actually, we are planning to launch very, very unique NFT project on top of the Mint Club ecosystem called Pixel Club. I'm gonna show a little sneak peek about that. This will be launched actually in January 20th, so approximately in 7 to 8 days. So this is not shown at all on public. You guys are first to see this. So in Pixel Club is the digital collectible pixel art club, like a Bored Ape Yacht Club or CryptoPunks, so those kind of digital collectibles, right? But rather than just randomly generated a couple of thousand editions, in Pixel Club, people can create each editions by the users. So you can generate the next edition by overriding its pixels for your own NFT. So this is quite unique concept. And whenever someone generate the next edition of the Pixel Art NFT, each pixel price is increasing 5%. So the minting cost of the next edition will be keep increasing based on how many pixels are overwritten. And whenever someone generate the next edition and pay the Dixel tokens to overwrite, 90% of them will be stored in the refundable contract. And when some person who owns this NFT can burn the NFT to get the refund of the 90% of the tokens, and 10% will go to the other pixel overwritten contributors. More details will be announced soon, and we really believe that this will be kind of game changer in digital collectible market on Binance Smart Chain. So yeah, this is it. Mint Club is what we all want to do, is that we just want to create a token building platform where anyone with just an idea can create a token economy without any complications. Thank you so much for your time, and please join on our community and join this new journey with us. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, Yonghui, for the sharing. I guess some of Yonghui's products are already ready. So if you go to Mint Club website, you can try out their products. And as you see there, if you refer some friends to mint a token, you can get a referral bonus, which is great. So I do have a bunch of questions for you, but we're running out of time today. So let me just quickly ask one. So who do you think are the main audience for your platform? Why do you build this platform? Who do you build this platform for?
So as you can see, our main target is actually more the outside of the like let's say we used to be inner circles of blockchain industry, right? So person who kind of familiar with all the DeFi and the big projects. But there are some people outside of the inner circles that some community owners, individuals, those kind of small players, micro economies. Or even far outside of that, like some products or applications that they don't have any tokens, but kind of interesting in tokenization. Our main target is like kind of that directions. So we want to bring more new entries to this market, to this social market. That's why we need to lower the boundary for them to enter this market easily. And this is what
Sorry about that.
I'm not calling you.
Yeah. Sorry about that.
No problem.
Got it. Cool. Yeah, thank you for joining us today, Yonghui. Mint Club is also very unique. It actually enables, like Yonghui mentioned, people who are outside of Web3, outside of crypto right now, to have an easy access into tokenomics, create your own token economy. Is something that really helps because I know that there's a lot of you who are keen to know how you can set the first step into crypto, into Web3. Guess you can try out Mint Club's product first. And follow their Twitter, follow their community channels.